According to a report from Oxford Economies, the rise of robots and automation is projected to lead to the displacement of 20 million manufacturing jobs by 2030. The rise in automation will alleviate social and economic stresses from unemployment and income inequality in times when increasing political polarization is already a worrying trend. The research shows that robots have taken away millions of jobs in manufacturing and encroaching on the service sector. Thanks to the development of computer vision and voice recognition, this study also shows that low-skilled workers are twice as likely to lose their jobs compared to skilled workers. Some experts believe that to meet future jobs, training programs need to change as vocational schools are said to have not caught up with the evolution of the digital world.